Introducing the Rinnai Tankless Hot Water Heater, a compact and efficient solution designed to provide endless hot water while conserving energy and precious space in your home. In this review, we will explore the innovative features, smart design, and specifications of this heater, showcasing its capabilities as a reliable and space-saving choice for your hot water needs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Original design. This hot water heater stands out with its original design, epitomizing the concept of energy conservation. Unlike traditional water heaters that maintain a constant supply of hot water, this tankless system heats water only when necessary. This innovative approach not only saves energy, but also contributes to a cleaner layout within your home. For those looking for the latest in non-condensing technology and a more streamlined installation process, Rinnai offers this water heater. Number 2. Endless hot water supply. One of the most significant advantages of this water heater is that it ensures you never run out of hot water. Despite its compact size, this non-condensing tankless gas water heater can provide an impressive flow rate of up to 7.5 gallons per minute (GPM), allowing you to run up to 5 fixtures simultaneously. Whether it's a busy morning with multiple showers or a household with high hot water demand, this unit has you covered. Number 3. Smart and durable design. Rinnai has incorporated intelligent features into this tankless water heater to enhance its durability and performance. The enhanced scale detection system helps prevent serious, long-term damage to the unit, ensuring a longer lifespan. Additionally, Rinnai backs this water heater with a residential guarantee, providing 15 years for the heat exchanger, 5 years for labor, and 1 year for parts, demonstrating their confidence in the product's reliability. Moreover, for those seeking advanced control options, the controller module offers Wi-Fi connectivity, not included, for remote management and monitoring. Number 4. Professional installation recommended. While the installation of this water heater is undoubtedly a key consideration, the manufacturer strongly recommends professional installation. To ensure optimal performance and safety, it's advisable to locate a qualified technician through the Find a Rinnai Pro page on their website. Attempting to install the water heater without a technician is discouraged, highlighting the importance of a professional touch when setting up this appliance. Number 5. Compact and efficient. This water heater embodies a high-efficiency and space-saving design. Its compact form factor, comparable to the size of a small suitcase, allows it to fit into a wide variety of spaces, making it an excellent choice for homes with limited room for bulky water heaters. This tankless water heater not only provides the convenience of on-demand hot water, but also saves valuable floor space. With an energy factor of 82 for both gas types, it ensures you receive clean and reliable hot water at a consistent preset temperature while minimizing energy consumption. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Energy-efficient tankless design. Compact size saves valuable floor space. Provides up to 7.5 GPM of hot water. Enhanced scale detection for unit longevity. 1 reason not to buy. Controller module for Wi-Fi not included. Conclusion. The Rinnai Tankless hot water heater, specifically the V75IN model, offers a compact and efficient solution for your hot water needs. Its original design, endless hot water supply, smart and durable features, and compact form make it a compelling choice for those looking to upgrade their hot water system. However, it is essential to adhere to the manufacturer's recommendation for professional installation to ensure optimal performance and safety. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.